Hey, what's up everybody? We're gonna do a quick feeling the spirit here, awesome food edition. We're gonna do a reverse sear steak, and this is tenderloin. So I had a conversation with a buddy in DC years ago. His name's Anthony Marcone, and he was telling me how to reverse sear steak. I've never done it, and it's phenomenal. And we're gonna do it on the Traeger. So I cut these tenderloins out of a whole tenderloin, and I let it sit out so they've gotten to kind of room temperature. So we're gonna season these up and get them on the smoker. And just basic steak seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and a little bit of Tony's is in here. And we'll just do a nice little dusting on these. That one's kind of... And the nice thing about this reverse sear is it gets the whole steak just right at the right temperature when you do it. And it just turns out phenomenal. And this is a secret to any grilling. It's your test steak. You gotta have one of those. It's your snack steak. All right, it's pretty good. We're gonna get the smoker rolling, get these on. All right, guys, Traeger's at the temp. We went ahead and wrapped some bacon around these bad boys. Ooh, pretty. And we're gonna get these on. So we just set it at 225. Set these on. Steak. And they're gonna cook for probably about 40 minutes, and we're just gonna check that temperature. We wanna get the internal to about 125, and then we're gonna put them on the grill to sear them. They're gonna be awesome. We're gonna check the temperature on these. These should be done. It's been about 45 minutes. Yeah, 129. Ooh, might be even a little bit high. We're gonna be good for just a medium. 127, perfect. So let's put these on the gas grill. All right, they're gonna cook about 2 minutes per side. We got this thing cranking, heating hot, and 2 minutes aside, and then they'll be done. Go. All right, these should be done. Just a couple minutes. We kind of turned them to get the bacon cooked, and those are pretty. Meat. This was for dinner. All right, we're gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll cut into them, and they're gonna be delicious. Okay, we've got these done, and I'm gonna show you the beauty of a reverse sear steak. So we're gonna cut into this. If you get up here, we'll cut into this one right here. Oh, that one just kind of fell apart. But look at the color. It's all the way through. And these ended up being about a medium. Some bacon on there, but look at that. Ooh, baby. It does not get much better. So, Anthony Marcone. Great idea, works beautiful on a Traeger. Try it, big bone-in tomahawk ribeye, perfect. Just a good thick steak, this is perfect for it. Let me just try a piece of it. Go ahead and slap on some bacon. Shelby, I know you're holding the camera. I'm gonna take my time, so you have to wait, because this is so good. So good. All right, we're gonna enjoy these.